bad, beautiful, ugly.
That. Why? Because let's start the judicial system. Our judicial system has gone so wrong that the case in the high court are given to the people that have money rather than people that don't have money. Look at other cases that are happening in court. Since last year, they have been judging Nnamdi Kanu for more than 3-4 years now. They have not gotten any substantial evidence, substantial thing to jail him or to nail him from different high courts to some different high court. So our judicial system is one of the wrongest things that I've ever had in this country. Okay, now let's move on to the food store. How much can you buy a plate of food in Nigeria? A plate of food in Nigeria, a smallest plate of food in Nigeria can afford is 1,000. How much is people's salary? They help people are paying salary, can pay some people 3,000 a month. How much did the person transfer? How much did the person keep? For me, Nigeria is a bad government to say thank you very much.